Hello my dear YouTube family, welcome to Elena's Bar. My name is Elena. For those of you who don't know me and who are new to my channel, I'm so excited to welcome you here at Elena's Bar, low impact full body workouts. Today I'm going to show you the family farm again. I'll show you the progress with the plants and what happens with the animals. We were invited for my mother-in-law's birthday to unload hay for the horses, and it was a lot of hay. It's supposed to last horses the entire year, and it was very hard to get that hay. So I hope you enjoy the video, stay around with me. It's going to be very interesting, I promise. Are you running back into your stables? Yeah, where is Kathy? Did you lose her? You're so cute. Indy, stay. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. I highly appreciate you. I love you guys, and make sure you click the subscribe button and the notification bell button so that you don't miss on the upcoming videos, workouts, interesting discussions, and Elena's Bar community.
What's that one?
How many pounds is it?
They're about 60.
Oh my gosh!
Thank you, Andy.
Oh. Indy, what was that?
Right now we gotta kill the face out.
Are you curious? Yes. You want to say hi, Indy? Very nice. Very nice, Indy. Oh, there are some chickens out there. Very cute animals. Yeah, that's a lot of hay.
Yeah.
Did you move Kathy by yourself?
I moved these 36.
This total?
Yes,
Wow.
those two. These are last year's hay that was over there.
Oh, okay.
I moved them from there.
So that you can feed it to the horses, right?
Right. They'll get the old stuff first.
Yeah, that makes sense. Indy, come on. You found the way. On that scary ladder. Come on. I'll pick you up.
Where are we going?
This is the ladder that he was jumping in. You see how many big gaps are in between the ladder. I mean, it's really tall for you, but you made it, huh? You made it. All of that running and walking, and they are thirsty. Yeah.
Her nose is looking a little pink.
Did it get sunburn?
Yeah, she looks good.
Wow.
Did you drink the water from?
Maybe it got into her nostrils.
Yeah, that's looking pretty pink. But she
Wow.
won't, I do have range, she just won't let me do it.
Yeah. Aww. She's got 5 eggs, right?
There's more.
More? Cool.
1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8.
8 eggs.
That's a good day.
Cute. Really?
That's right.
Everybody's favorite nest is on the ground.
Yeah. Yes, they all want some mealworms.
Hungry much, huh?
Well, I should clean the boxes out anyway.
Rufus, you're just busy. Yeah. They don't like him, but they are still curious.
They don't like you, Indy.
Yeah, but they still come to him. It's so interesting. They are still curious about him, darling. You troublesome. Somebody's happy.
Yeah, there's a lot of apples on these trees.
Oh yeah, I see them.
Getting to them.
Do you have a ladder?
Not that tall.
Well, you may consider getting one. Oh, look, there are some low ones here. Are they Granny Smith?
We don't know what kind they are.
Wow, I guess you have to try it. It's so much fun here, huh? So much fun for the doggy.
I think I know what they're doing.
What?
I think they're making a shooting range.
Oh, wow! Yay! Why not, huh? Indy, are you lost in the grass? Are you lost, baby? Yeah. Diffus. Ugh. So excited, Indy, huh? Yeah, Indy, is it too tall for you, the grass? Diffus. Good exercise, huh? Is it a good exercise for the doggy? Yeah, Indy.
It's so pink.
Yeah,
And then this one
is
is
yellow.
more yellow.
And look, this one will be something in between.
Yeah.
It's getting the pink
Yep.
sides of it. Yeah, that rose always fascinated me. It was the rose that we planted here in the farm, and it used to change colors every year. I bought it, it was yellow, and now it adds some pink color to it. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, Kathy,
Yeah.
tell us what you've got here.
I've got a struggling garden here. The weather has just not been cooperating, particularly for the root crops, the root vegetables. We have beets here. It's just all slow. Carrots. We should be eating these by now, but the weather is just not.
So it hasn't been warm
Yeah, it was
one
cold
time.
early. So we'll see what happens. And this is kale. I planted it mainly for the bunnies. This is bunnies kale. I'm just pulling up these. This will be Swiss chard. Again, this just is not doing well. The lettuce is doing well.
Well, lettuce, yeah.
Lettuce is doing well. I cut some. We had some last night for dinner.
Nice.
So, well,
Yeah, mine is growing really big. If you don't cut it on time, it really blooms.
yeah, then
Over
it's
the
gone
top.
to seed. Yeah, I don't know about the flavor,
Yeah.
what that does. Yeah. So, again, this is late. It's got blooms.
I see small tiny tomatoes here.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Let me see. What is this variety? Okay, yeah, this will be
Cherry
a little
of some
cherry
kind,
tomato,
yeah.
So those will be yummy.
Mm-hmm. They kind of look like they're cherry. I have bigger ones at home. And I also have the yellow tomato actually.
okay.
That was
Yeah.
weird. It's not doing that great as the red tomato.
This one is like, do I pick it now or wait? I don't know. It's like if I wait, is a bird or a slug gonna eat it? But it's
Yeah.
still kind of orangey there.
You know, if you take it now, they can actually ripe inside.
Yeah.
That's what I heard, and that's what I did last year also with my tomatoes. I was picking them before, and then they were ripening.
So we have onions here, and I can see they're starting to make bulbs.
Nice! Oh gosh,
And
I
we
miss
have-
this Russian onion. Ah!
So then we have peas.
Oh, cool! Yay!
Oh, there goes Adam.
Okay, I think he's done,
Yeah.
and I didn't take any videos of him.
Working.
What is this? These big
It's a
ones.
squash.
Squash. Okay.
Yeah, butternut squash.
Oh,
which
yummy!
I really like.
Yeah.
The beans have been struggling. This is acorn squash, my other favorite, but it's struggling.
Mm-hmm.
Those are some more peas. Got green beans here.
Really?
These are pickling cucumbers. So they'll
My
be
cucumbers
small.
died. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, see, but even still, these have been struggling.
Yeah. I think I had similar to these ones, and they didn't catch up. So these ones, what was it, Kathy?
Green beans.
Green beans. Okay.
That's a cauliflower, and then I think these up here are broccoli.
So this is the cauliflower,
Right, and then up here is broccoli.
broccoli.
I mean,
They are doing fine, I would
it's
say.
yeah, the first for a first year
What,
garden.
what are these ones?
More green beans.
Oh,
They're
okay.
just-
They just look different.
Yeah.
And here, you said these were struggling.
Yeah, that's a green bean.
Oh, green bean too.
I don't remember what that
They
is.
all look so different. They are different varieties of beans, right?
Yeah. It's supposed to be cantaloupe, I think. Never tried cantaloupe,
Wow.
so we'll see.
And here on top
Those are green beans,
as well.
Yeah.
Okay.
and then
Cucumbers.
cucumbers.
Cool. And here, Indio chewing on grass. Doofus. Oh, let's check the kiwi. Guys, do you remember the kiwi we showed to you in the previous video? Yeah, we are going to check up on them. Now they started blooming. I'm so excited.
Let's see. Yep, here. We've got some fruit here.
Wow, cute! Oh my gosh.
So we'll
I'm so looking forward to try them out.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Yeah, there's a lot of fruit on here. You have to look under the
Yeah, I see it.
leaves. Yeah, but I don't.
Oh, this is our apple tree. We brought it
Yep.
over. And what kind of tree is it? What kind of apple? I keep forgetting. I think it was not sugar bee,
Honey crisp.
honey crisp. Ah, pretty yummy too.
Yeah.
Yeah, they are
So there's
still.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yay!
6 apples.
6 apples for a small tree. It's pretty good, huh? But it's been sitting in the pot before. We brought it over for a few years, I think.
And did it have apples before?
No, it just was blooming. It had the flowers, but
Oh,
no
okay.
apples. I was looking forward to, but no, it probably, it needed to be planted.
Yeah.
And then the sunflower for bunnies.
And the chickens. The chickens
And the
like
chickens.
seeds.
Yeah. Strawberries.
Strawberries.
Nice. They taste so different from when you get them in the store. I love
Flavor.
strawberries. And where do you have raspberries? I've never seen. Oh, raspberries are right behind there. Yeah. Cool.
And we don't expect much
This
of the
year.
raspberries, yeah, just because of the weather and because they're new, they're transplanted,
Mm-hmm.
and so we won't expect
And where do you have blueberries?
We don't have blueberries. I'd like to get blueberries. We're just gonna have to figure out where.
Mm-hmm.
I thought on the other side of the fence here. We'll see.
It's hard to see them here.
Yeah, they went deep just now. They're not there.
Yeah. I see the plants. Mm.
I know you're there.
Hi, baby. I have something for you. You're probably scared of video.
Mila. Willow.
Hello. Look what I have. Come on, baby. Like that. No, Indy, get out. Indy.
He won't hurt the horses, but the horses could hurt him. Okay. Yeah, you can just reach your hand through the fence.
Stay there. So, let's meet the horse. So, like that, right?
Yeah.
No, Indy. Stop it. No.
Those are all pillow horses in our chair.
They really like the grass.
They're like, you got more?